Welcome back. In this part of the session, we understand how to load multiple files with .csv extension. So we need to write spark.read option, header comma true .csv, and then we need to give the path of the files and the sales underscore asterisk sign. So in this way, we can import all the sales file from different countries having extension .csv. So see, we have executed the data frame. Suppose if we want to change the schema as we in this file, we can see we have all the string data type, and in scenario we want to change the data type to respective data type as required from the business. So we can do so by writing struct type fields is equal to struct field. Then we need to provide the column which is product ID, and we need to have as integer type, date as date type, zip as integer type, units as integer type, revenue as double type. So earlier the revenue was in string, so but for business it, if we require double type, we can put in this format, and country as way similar way in string type. So once we run this cell, so actually it got failed because we need to import the struct type. So we need to write from spark dot sql dot types. Then we need to write struct field comma struct type comma integer type. So actually we need to import it, so we need to write import teaser type, date type, double type, string type. Run the cell executed successfully. Run the our data frame schema executed successfully. And now if suppose we need to read this CSV file, then we need to specify dot schema, and then we need to pass the schema which we created. And the cell executed successfully. Now we can display our data frame. Data frame is fine, but we need to actually check the data type. So we need to do df dot print schema. See, all the data types got changed. Product ID is integer, date, zip is integer, units integer, revenue is double, country string. And if we want to display it to check the value of the revenue, so we have all double, units, zip, country. We have all the columns which we required. So in this way we can change the schema of a file. So this marks the end of the session.